Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We have a double unboxing. Mindful Souls versus Crystal Counsil. What do you guys think? If you missed the first double unboxing, go back and watch it. So this is the Seeker box from Crystal Counsil, and this is the Mindful Souls box. This is a collaboration with Wellness with Frugal Mama. So if you haven't checked out any of her videos with Mindful Souls or any of her other unboxings or regular videos, go check it out. We also did a cleaning collab. There's a playlist all over the place. Go check it out. But first, let's do the Crystal Counsil. So I believe it was $48 for 3 months. So this is the second box. Okay, so let's crack this open and see what we got for May. And just open. So right on top is a sticker. It is a lotus flower. Isn't that beautiful art? I love the symbolism of the lotus flower. And then the next card that we have is the description of this crystal. So it's stromatolite. Stromatolite. Okay, this is the ancient earth stone. Represents knowledge, nature, and channeling. Okay, so stromatolites are fossilized layers or layered deposits of algae within ancient sedimentary rock. These old single-celled organisms are believed to be some of the first forms of life on the planet. Interesting. This time period was filled with a more pure and unfeathered energy that was in an innocent, infantile state. Okay. The extinct energy is trapped within this crystal and can be channeled into your soul through deep meditative sessions. Okay. I don't know if I really feel that. I'm sure it is fossilized. I'm sure there's a lot of energy down below where we haven't really uncovered. So the chakra is on the back, so it looks like root chakra. And zodiac for this is Pisces, so shout out to the Pisces. Let me know your zodiac sign. And planet, Earth. Hardness, it's 5. Between 4 and 7. Okay. I mean, this is kind of cool. So let's check out the actual crystal. Since looks like with this box, this is the basic box, you only get a crystal. So I'm not sure that I would call it a crystal because kind of feels like a rock. I guess all crystals are rocks, but it is cool. So it does look like a fossilized algae, you know, like if you think about it, kind of like coral. It's got a lot of grain coming off of it. There's no like luster or anything to the stone. It's very dry. It's got like that red rusty clay color. So that is really interesting. The grooves that are in it. It's pretty cool. Nice piece of rock to have as decoration, but I will say that there's a lot of sand involved. Okay, so next is our Mindful Souls. Share the love, hashtag Mindful Souls. Open up to the world of inner peace and love. And you guys can go check that out on mindfulsouls.com. So let's see. All right, so this is the second edition, I'm assuming, because this is the second time I've gotten this booklet. So this is pretty cool. We'll jump into that. So they do normally give you a card with all the information that's inside the box. All right, so we have that. They don't provide pricing. This box is about 38, I think it was, 39. You do get a sticker. So here's our sticker. Cool. Open your eyes, open your mind. That'd be cool to have as a bumper sticker. Yes. So, and then we have the gigantic affirmation cards. They have gotten bigger. So looks like that. And this is affirmation for money. Hey, get that money. It's a money tree. Sorry, I gotta wipe off the dust because I'm like touching it. And okay, new opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. I will say that this affirmation is on time. On time. May money. Get your money. Okay. Just, you know, circulate that in the universe. So we have our card. I'm going to read about each of the items and what they mean. Okay, so here they come like this. So they come in these little baggies. If you are not familiar, individually placed. Oh, this is going to be cool. Ooh, guys, check it out. How can I hold this so you can see? Let me do it slowly so you can see all the beauty. Okay, see the point here? And then this white tip. So on the top, it's got like this yellow, gold, clear, and then it's kind of frosted. Okay, so this is a citrine point. See how it has that point? A citrine point is believed to elevate optimism and energy to a place more able to manifest and accept opportunity. Yes! As you attract new possibilities, people and energy into your life, prosperity and abundance will soon follow. Yes, we are keeping this. And if you have any citrine, I did show a citrine necklace. Remember, if you missed that video, go check that out. You can hang that. You don't necessarily have to have these like in your pocket, just in your space, you know, where you spend the most time, in my opinion. In working with the solar plexus chakra, citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, and endurance throughout the body and mind. Tell me this is not a good one. Tell me. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So go back in the little baggie. Okay, next up. Here we go. Ooh, it's a little cluster guy here. Or girl, gal, lady, gentleman. It's got like little spikes. Let me hold that so you can see it. Little spikes. This is red Aragonite. Kind of sounds like Aragon, like of Spain. This is really cool. Like if you could see all these little clusters, red Aragonite or Aragonite. I don't know. Somebody let me know like how we actually say that. Acts as a stabilizing stone and can be more helpful for those who have focused on bringing more harmony in their life. Meditating with red Aragonite or Aragonite can help to ground spiritual growth into the lower chakras, raising the overall vibration of the body. It helps to create a deeper connection to the planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachment to the present. Interesting. It does have like this reddish hint, but more of like brown red. Okay. So as they say, please know it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running tap water for 10 to 20 minutes. If you are nearby a natural running water or river, stones can be placed in an open mesh bag and left. Okay, pretty cool. What do you guys think? All right, this is different. Gold peel off mask. So this is for the face. This peel off mask purifies, tightens, and soothes your complexion. Not sure how I feel about this being in the box, but I guess it's for like self-care. So yeah, the face mask is enriched with ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid to even skin tone and leaving your face feeling fresh. Okay, so different. Sometimes you get oils, sometimes you get jewelry. We're going to the next baggie here. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty. Kind of looks like grapes, right? With the green and purple. All right, Tree of Life necklace. Clear quartz is wrapped in a magical tree with leaves of amethyst and green aventurine. Green aventurine carries a strong connection to earth, while the amethyst improves concentration. To program your quartz with your intentions, hold it in your palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transfer into the crystal. All right. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I do like an amethyst. I have a huge one that Wellness with Frugal Mama sent me. Ooh, it's a little turtle. Can you guys see the little turtle? Look at him or her. Snowflake Obsidian turtle. Ooh, I like obsidian. So let's get a 360 of Mrs. Turtle here. Snowflake Obsidian is also known as the Mirror Stone. It is believed to reflect evil eye. It reflects it back to the sender. Ooh, that's nice. Snowflake Obsidian is associated with protection from harm and is said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. This little turtle is staying with me, okay? Just so you know, little turtle is mine. We're gonna call him Snowflake. Awesome. We're gonna clean you and we're gonna put you to the side, okay? Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We're gonna send all that bad energy back. I love the symbolism in this. Let's keep Snowflake to the side. And the last bag, let's see what we got. Don't forget, guys, that this is a collaboration. So when you're done here, go check out Wellness with Frugal Mama. And if you're coming from her channel, thanks. Appreciate you being here. Ooh, this is really pretty. Look at that in the middle, right there. Citrine bracelet. Okay, so we got 2 citrines today. This is some good energy, some good juju coming over here. Citrine is a stone of light and happiness. Wearing the citrine bracelet strengthens your will, motivation, and determination, helping you go after for the things you want. I love it. I love it. I think, what month is citrine? I want to say November, maybe. October, November. Citrine is also known as one of the most powerful manifestation gemstones because it activates imagination, bringing more creative visions and a positive outlook on life. I know that there are a lot of people who could use some positive outlooks. This is really pretty, guys. So which one of these things is your favorite item? I am loving the Snowflake Turtle. This citrine is awesome. I do want to wash and cleanse all the stones. And even if I send them as gifts, be sure to cleanse the stone and get rid of whatever energy was holding it and absorbing. So that you don't pass that on to yourself. All right, and what did you guys think of the Crystal Counsil? The, what did they call it? Stromatolite. And which one of these boxes is great? I mean, they're different tiers, different sizes. In Mindful Souls, you do get 6 to 8 items and they pretty much stick with it. And this Crystal Counsil Seeker box is a basic one, so I'm assuming you just get one. Let me know, do you think we should continue this Crystal Counsil? Maybe upgrade? If you're interested, let me know in the comments as well. I look forward to seeing your comments and reading them. And I try to keep these cards so that I know what they're used for. Oh, the booklet, yes. So, the secret power of an attitude shift. Make room for joy. Okay, today is a day of happiness and peace. I am grounded and centered. I am grateful for my beautiful life that is filled with many blessings. I move through my day with consciousness, grace, and love. Those are monthly affirmations here. Love it! I am keeping these booklets because they do have some great information. Also tells you about some sales that they have. Energy cleansing ritual. So that's what they have in here. A little ritual that you can go through. I release, I release, I release. Manifest abundance. Look at that. That is awesome. That's the citrine crystal point. Of course, all crystals and gems are going to look different because of how they were cut. And so we do have horoscopes for May. Let me know in the comments. Do you want me to do a short about that or a short video on May? I could do that. And then there's the Divine box. So it must be a new box. It's $59.97 if you're interested. It's an extra $20. You get self-care items. You could scan those little QR codes if you wanted to. And it says, see you next month. So yes, I will see you next month. Guys, don't forget to go check out the other videos if you haven't, just so you can kind of see what these boxes are all about. And check out Wellness with Frugal Mama's video. I will leave her link in the comment section. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you're thinking about any of this stuff. Do you like spirituality? Do you like meditation? Do you like just energizing and keeping your body focused, your mind clear and receptive to positive and beautiful opportunities? I want to hear about it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.